Hello all, today in this video we are going to make a continuation of the previous video, which is Python basics series. So in this video we are going to make and demo regarding classes and objects. So class, it is a blueprint for creating objects or instances, and object is an instance of an class. So here we are going to create a class called car. So for that we are making with this first line, which is class of car. Then we are importing, working with constructor method to initialize the object. Once we are creating a class for an object, automatically this constructor, that is initialize, this underscore initialize in underscore, it is an constructor class. So method, it will be automatically created when this class is created. So within this constructor we will make some objects or variables like make, model and year. So this make, model and year objects will make use of the self function or method, and all this variables will be stored within this self function or method. So then you may notice that within this self method, this make is stored. So for make, it will create, it is going to display the uh, making procedure of an object. Then model, self dot model, it is going to assign the model or name of the object. Then self dot year is going to assign the year name of the object which we are creating or defining. Then we are again creating a method to display the information of the car. So for that we are making a definition called display info, and within that we are creating the self, calling the self, because within the self only we have called all the objects of the all the objects, that is details regarding this variables or details regarding this object. So then we are printing this self dot year, then self dot make and self dot model. Then so this is what the things which we are declaring first in the first stage. Then in the second stage we are creating an object for the car class which we have created. For that we are creating a car object, and with this car object we are making to call within an variable called my car. And within that, first we are making the make details of that car, which is Toyota. Then we are giving the model name of the car, which is Camry, and then we are giving the year name of the car, which is 2020. So this is the constructor method we are calling first. Next we have to display it. So in display, first we are making the year, and next make and next model. So in this case the output will be first year, that is 2020, next make, that is Toyota, and next only Camry, since here we have made in this order. So we can just change the order like a make, and here if we give year means, in that case the output will be changed. So in which order you like to display this class, or means in that thing you may give in this display function. So this is the demo for how to creating a class and its object in Python. So in the next video we will be working with methods and attributes. Thank you.